Hello, good morning, my little friends. This is Krishna Auntie, your friend, back with new stories. Thanks to Bhavin Uncle to introduce this section, isn't it? So, are you ready for today's story? Yes. So, today's story is going to be about hard work. What do you mean by hard work? Hard work is something wherein you put your 100% in doing something. That something could be putting 100% in your studies, putting 100% in baking a cake, or putting 100% in doing your work, isn't it? Yeah. So if mama tells you कि पोछा लगाओ, यूं ऊपर ऊपर से पोछा लगाते हो, तो that पोछा is not very clean. But if you do it nicely, concentrate करके बड़े अच्छे से, तो mama says, good girl or good boy, isn't it? Yes. So today I'm going to tell you a story about a farmer. He was an old man, okay, but he had a big land where he used to grow a lot of vegetables. He had 3 sons, but they were very lazy. One used to play cricket, the other used to watch, what is that, PUBG game, and the other used to watch TV. So how should he make his children know the importance of hard work? So what he did, when he was sick, he was lying on the bed. बीमार, अब पता है मरने वाला है, but मरा नहीं, हाँ, he was there. So he told his children कि look, I have hidden something gold, some very important thing in our farm. Do you know, लड़के एकदम जाग गए, and overnight all 3 started picking the axe and they started digging the farm. Slowly, over the night, all over the farm, all the 3 sons had divided. ये मेरा एरिया, ये मेरा एरिया, ये मेरा एरिया. तीनों ने मिलके फार्म डिग कर दिया, राइट? अब फार्म डिग तो कर दिया. देन दे वेंट टू द फादर. अरे हमने तो सब डिग कर दिया है, कुछ नहीं मिला कहीं. तो बोला अच्छा, कर ही दिया है तो एक काम करो, ये सीड्स यहाँ पड़े हैं, लगा दो, अब डिगी तो कर दिया है. सो दे डिड हार्ड वर्क, नो, दे डग द होल लैंड फार्म, देन दे सोड द सीड्स. अब सीड्स तो सो कर दिए हैं, एक काम करो, थोड़ा सा पानी भी डाल दो ना. ठीक है, पानी भी डाल दिया. देन स्लोली स्लोली द क्रॉप blossomed. The crop blossomed and it started bearing fruits. Say maybe apple. So what you sow, so you reap. Hard work never goes waste. अरे यार, इतना खोदा सोना नहीं मिला तो क्या हुआ, एप्पल मिले जो सोने के भाव से बिके, है ना? So the moral of today's story is hard work never goes waste. Have you ever seen कि हम लोग को भूख लगती है तो हम आ करके बैठे रहेंगे, तो will mama come and give something in our mouth? No ना, we have to eat it ना ourselves, unless you're a छोटा baby, है ना? So you have to work. ऐसे ही if you have to do some homework, if you do it very concentrate करके ध्यान से, you will always get full marks, isn't it? If you want to learn cycle, somebody else is not going to learn for you. You have to sit on the cycle, you have to pedal, you have to practice, and then only you learn cycle, isn't it? So tell me, what hard work did you do today? Okay? See you next Sunday.